Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close Shopify store. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Open up your Shopify application and make sure that you're logged in as well. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Here, in the left-hand side menu, you'll be able to see all of the stores that you've created with Shopify. Go ahead and select the store you'd want to delete and tap on it. Now, tap on the profile icon again at the top left. Right next to your store, you'll be able to see 3 dots. Tap on it and then tap on Remove Store. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to close your store on Shopify. Remember that closing off or removing your Shopify store will erase all of the data, all of the products you've added in that particular store. So make sure to make a wise choice when it comes to removing or closing your Shopify store. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.